Hi all of you, my name is Chetan Singh and I am an English learner. I hope you are all well. I have seen lot of people who are struggling in connecting a relationship bond with their partners. Even it's not only about their partners. Parents are also struggling to make a good relationship with their kids. Siblings are also facing struggle to have a good relationship with their brothers and sisters. So it's happening frequently nowadays because everyone is indulged in their own social media world. No one has a time to interact with their loved ones. Therefore, our bond is getting decreasing day by day. So today I am here with some of the great solutions. By implementing them, you can have a good bond with your loved ones. So first, we will start from the point one. The point one is always try to stepping into their shoes with whom you want to have a good relationship. If that person is showing some bad behavior towards you, then don't feel that that person is bad. Maybe that person is not in a good mental state right now. Therefore, he or she is behaving like that. Once you will replace yourself with that person's position, then you will realize maybe that person got criticized by someone because of that bullying, criticism. He is behaving like that, but no one wants to spoil their own. Everyone wants to be happy. Try to understand from their point of view. Try to change your lens towards the things. And the second point is become an active listener. First listen to that person talk, what he or she is trying to say. Maybe sometime we jump the gun into judging someone and we feel that whatever that person is saying, it's all wrong. But you should not feel like that you are right only. There is a possibility that what that person is saying can also be right. So try to listen more and more. The more you will listen, the more clarity you will get in your relationship bond. Whether it's a relationship with your life partner or with your family or with any other person around you. And the third point is change the way you communicate with someone. Sometimes we always blame other people and we say that you always do that thing, you always piss me off, you have to change your these actions. But instead of using these lines or these statements, you should switch these lines into something very light which sound less annoying to someone. You can use the statement that when you do or when you behave in a certain way, it hurts me a lot. So please change your way of behaving. Or when you do that certain thing, I don't feel good at that time. So change your actions please. So you can use this kind of soft statements so that you can make that person understand that you don't have any problem with that person, you have a problem with that person's behavior. And I am sure that person will understand and he or she will try to change their behavior according to your wish. Because when we approach someone with love and affection, people always welcome our gestures. And the fourth point here is, which is very important to know, you have to pay the gratitude. You have to appreciate that person's actions on each and every day. Whatever that action can be, it can be small actions as well. You have to appreciate everything what that person is doing for you. You have to appreciate or you have to be grateful for every effort which that person is making to make your life better. Because nowadays we are living in that world where nobody cares about other person. Everyone wants to make themselves feel good. Nobody wants to give their energy for other person. But if that person is taking care about you, or if that person is just giving their part of energy towards making you feel better, then you should appreciate that person's effort. At least you can do one thing. You can thank that person once in a day or twice in a day, so that that person can feel that you always care about them in the same way as they feel about you. It will boost the good bond between both the partners. We got only one life, so just spread love as much as you can in this one life. We are not going to come on this earth again. So why we have to waste the time by having or keeping grudges in our mind, in our heart about someone? Just live free life and forgive the people about their mistakes. That's how you can live happy life every day. So that is all I wanted to convey you as a message. I hope that you added some value out of my words. Thanks for your precious time. We will meet in next video. Until then, take care and bye.